It's FabFitFun Mystery Bundle Battle time. So if you want to check out what we got in our refill mystery bundles, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
Bandit's hanging out with me, and Dexter might or might not make his way down here, but we have our FabFitFun Mystery Bundle refills. I let Chloe choose which number she wanted for her and which number I should take. And of course, she accuses me of changing the labels.
Can I just rip this open? Do I have to open it?
Yeah. And we're going to go over, we have one other, but we'll each go over each of our products one by one. Chloe, you want to go first?
Sure. First I have this tripeptide pumping lip balm.
It's by the Inky List. Is there a color on it?
Oh, no, I don't think so. It's clear.
Now this says it's going to give you plump lips in 2 weeks. There is how that looks. Okay, what do you think of that product? My first is from Spongel. This is the Florica 7+ washes. I guess it's a mini Spongel.
I want to smell it.
That smells nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
I got a Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm.
All right, that is like their, it's not a, I guess I would call it their travel size. And I have some Truly Clear plant-based acne fighting zone patches. And there are 10 hydrocolloidal patches. They are cruelty-free and vegan.
Oh shit, they're hydrochloride patches. I have this Oak Essentials Balancing Mist.
So this is something I recently saw at Ulta, this brand, and it is kind of higher priced. You're showing the product?
Yeah.
Oh, you showing the front of the product?
I did.
Oh, okay. You want to spray it on your face? See how you like it? I think it's for your face.
Yeah, it's for your face.
Okay.
I read the directions.
All right. It's got a nice smell.
Yeah, it smells like lemon. Like lemongrass.
Yeah, lemongrass. Yeah, I like that. Okay.
Yeah, it feels cooling and hydrating.
And from Oak Essentials, I have their Renew Face Polish. So this is going to be like a cleanser. All right. There we go. Probably like an exfoliator.
Yeah.
Oh, I think you let it on. You stay on for 30 seconds, it says, and then rinse it off. I usually keep my exfoliators on though while I'm like washing everything else, and then I'll rinse that off at the end.
I only keep mine on for like 6 or 7 seconds before washing.
Really? 6 or 7? Yeah. Hey, there was no 6 in here though. So hers, which number was yours? 7?
No, mine was 8.
No, mine was 8. Yours was 7.
No, mine was 8.
No.
That
look.
says 7.
Don't even try to gaslight me.
It says 8 right here.
You're a gaslighter. All right, and then we have one other. And so this has a full-size Spongel in the Freesia Pear, which is a scent that we love. You want to give it a smell?
I want to smell it, yeah.
And then we have another Elemis Rose Cleansing Balm. All right, and then we have this item, which is kind of a mystery. I don't know what it is. No clue.
I love the smell of it.
All right, that's one of my favorite scents.
Me too.
Oh, okay. This is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. I think I have this.
We already have it?
I think we do.
Oh, that's a really pretty
I
palette.
feel like we do. I feel like we have that though. because this was a previous box choice that I got in an uncustomized box. All right, so who had the better bag? Me?
I wasn't hitting you in the head.
Me or the kid? You're only at your feet now. Let us know in the comments down below who you think got the better selection. I'm gonna go with Chloe. I'm going with Chloe this time. Chloe, what do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
Well, did you like your bag better or my bag better?
I don't know.
All right, well, she's a world of information. Let us know in the comments down below what you think, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Check out that playlist at the end. You're gonna want to. You're gonna want to watch all those videos and leave comments, because there is a big giveaway, and because we got 2 of them, this is gonna go in the bag that I have set aside. So check that out, leave comments, and there will be 1 subscriber who will get a nice little gift back from us. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, like I said, and hopefully we'll see you soon.